Welcome students, welcome to the English Club where search comes to an end. Today's topic is question tag. So what is question tag? Definition. After speaking a statement, just for confirmation, we are always asking a short question. It is called a tag question. It is also to emphasize the statement also. So tag question is also called tail question as its position is always at the end of a sentence. Means what? It comes at the end of the sentence. You can see it. She is dancing western. It's comma and isn't she. So this isn't she is to be considered as question tag. The underlined part is called question tag or tail question. We have heard about this question tag, but we didn't hear about this tail question. But it is also called, you will definitely not using this tail question, but still question tag is the perfect word for that. Next, contraction. So if you had paid attention to this isn't she, so this isn't she, its position is at the last. This form is called contraction form. Contraction means just squeezed up. Some contraction forms are as follows. So how to make contraction forms? So these are the helping verbs. Everybody knows helping verbs: is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, and modal auxiliaries are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. These are. But here at first we will look forward about these helping verbs. So isn't, how this isn't has been made. Now we will make, how can we make a tag? Is not. At first we need to write is, then not should be written just after, n should be written just after s. There should not be any kind of space. So n. So whatever o is there, so o should be omitted, and instead of that an apostrophe to be given, and just put t. So is is not. From the spelling of not, o has been omitted and converted into apostrophe, so isn't. So the contraction form of is not is isn't. In the same manner, are not to be considered as aren't, not aren't. Some people are always using this aren't, but still we can use it aren't. Was not, wasn't. See, was is word over here, and apostrophe t, wasn't. Weren't, were not, weren't. Have not, haven't. Has not, hasn't. Had not, hadn't. Did not, didn't. But pronunciation is also didn't. So it depends on you how do you pronounce it. It can be didn't or it can be didn't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. So these are the helping verbs. These are the contraction forms, and these contraction forms are very important in question tag. Next we have modal auxiliary. Could not. Again I would like to show you. So this could word, n, apostrophe and t. So this is couldn't. May not, it's mayn't. Might not, mightn't. Should not, shouldn't. Must not, mustn't. It should be mustn't. It should be pronounced as mustn't, not mustn't. It should be mustn't. Would not, wouldn't. Generally there are some kind of mistakes in pronunciation itself, but nothing to worry. Now you got the clear pronunciation, so you should go with the same. It should be mustn't. So earlier we had seen helping verbs, now we have modal auxiliary. These are the few what we can say, the modal auxiliary which I have taken over here, which are probably we are using in speaking. The most important thing, exception. Here you have to be very careful. What is that exception? Now please pay attention. Shall not, shallnot, shall not. It shouldn't be considered as shalln't. It should be shan't. shall has already been omitted, and just not as a contraction form has been used over here. It should be shan't. Will not shouldn't be considered as won't. Willn't. It should be considered as won't. There is no specific rules over here for you to understand. you have to just mug it up. Will not shouldn't be considered as willn't, it should be considered as won't. Cannot, can't, or can't. Now here double n is over there, and so we have already omitted one n. Here am not, most important thing, it will be repeated afterwards also. Am not will not be getting the tag amn't, it should be considered as aren't or aren't, what we can say. Am not must not be considered as amn't, please pay attention to this, it should be considered as aren't or aren't. Next, important things to remember. The most important part, we have segregated this question tag in two parts. First, we are discussing the important rules and important, what we can say, the basic things, whatever we need to transform the sentence into tag. So these are the important things to remember. So which are what are these? Now first, if a sentence is positive, then the tag will be negative. Now this is important. Sentence is positive. Positive means what? There should not be any kind of negative word in a sentence. It is considered as positive sentence. So whenever we have a positive sentence, the tag will be negative. Negative means what? The contraction not should be attached over there in a tag. I will show you afterwards. If a sentence is negative, then the tag will be positive. Suppose there are some negative words, or there is a negative word in a sentence, then the tag will be positive. So how, in what manner positive tag will be used over there? Just we are not supposed to use not in the tag. How? I will explain it afterwards. Next, we should use only helping verbs or modal auxiliary to form a question tag. Please, we are not supposed to make tag with anything else. We have to be very cautious about helping verbs. If it is there, then we should use it. If there is a modal auxiliary, then we must use it. But sometime in a sentence we do not have helping verb or a modal auxiliary. Then what should be done? Then we can use do, does, did. These are the to-dos forms, but these are to be used according to tense. So what are these? This do, present tense, so it should be considered as base form. So V1, there is no suffix, no prefix. Does, here we have a suffix es, that's why. And generally this sixth form, what we can consider, suffix s or es is added, so does to be used for V6th form, simple present tense. We had already learnt about this. Now did, it's a past tense, so V2 is to be considered as a past tense. So whenever there is a main verb, because whenever there is no any helping verb or modal auxiliary, then we have to be or we have to consider main verb. And if main verb is in the form of V1, then we should use do. If main verb is in the form of VSES, that is V6 form, then we should use does. And if it is in the past form, simple past form, then we should go with did. Again we have the same thing. Next rule, we never use amn't I, which I had already told you. Am not I as a contraction form. Yes, most important thing. What is to be used? Aren't I, aren't I. So we have almost completed the basic things. Again I would like to show you the important things. Now, she is dancing western, isn't she? This isn't she is a tag. It is also called tail question. Now how is this tag is made? Now helping verbs, suppose it is not, that's why we have made contraction isn't. But suppose if we are interested to make a positive tag, then we are not supposed to use this, just we need to use this is and a pronoun. I will explain it later. But as it is already in a negative form, then we must go with this. Is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, did not, didn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't. These are the helping verbs. Now modal auxiliary: could not, couldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't, should not, shouldn't, must not, mustn't, would not, wouldn't. There are some exception: shall not, shan't, not shalln't, will not, won't, not willn't, cannot, can't, am not, aren't, not amn't. So these are the important things what I would like to emphasize, because if you will not be able to understand this, then you will surely be confused in the next part of this question tag. These important things are also important. If the sentence is positive, then the tag will be negative. If a sentence is negative, then the tag will be positive. If there is a helping verb or modal auxiliary, then we should form a tag with the same. If there is no helping verb or modal auxiliary, then go with the main verb. And according to main verb, according to tense, V1, if we have a V1 over there, then do. For V6 we have does, and for V2 did. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. This is the first part of the question tag, and next part you will get soon. That will be the second part, and here we will actually get the sentences, get the rules, and how these transformation takes place we will see. Thank you very much.